Got no gas in it.
Yeah, I ain't got no gas in it.
Little feller.
All right, guys and gals, welcome back to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. Today's episode's all about Jesse's big kahuna. This is his 1978 454 camper, and today we've got problems with the generator. We've got even problems with this thing running. We've got even problems with trying to even get this thing back home as well. So you guys sit back and watch how we troubleshoot this Onan generator and have a good old time.
All right, guys, here comes the big kahuna, and she is having some problems. Look at that black smoke. Lordy. Kahuna is not having a good time right now. Sounds rich as all get out. Black smoke. I wonder if the choke's getting hung up on it. Jesse's got this thing looking good. Look at his captain's hat. She ain't sounding good. Oh no.
Hey. Hopefully we can glide right on in.
Come on,
We're not gonna be.
She ain't gonna make it. It don't sound good. All right, you're in. Alrighty, guys, listen to what the big kahuna's doing. It doesn't sound good at all. Black smoke everywhere. It's trying to die, and it does it when you put it into gear. Comment down below what you guys think the problem is. We are going to ship out a price pack to you. Got to live in the US. That's it. I'll pay for the shipping. We'll get it to you, but there'll be a hat, a t-shirt, and a couple of stickers and all kinds of good little stuff in there. So be sure to comment down below what you think the problem is with the big kahuna. We're gonna have fun with it, and be sure to watch towards the end of the video. We'll show more some input on what we think is going on. So enjoy. Alrighty, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we're going to be working on this Onan generator. And Jesse, we've got to get this thing running better too, man.
Got to get it going. This thing's going to be handy in the future.
That's right. So as you guys could see from a little intro video there, the camper's not running too good either.
No.
The generator's not running too good.
No.
We got to at least fix one thing in this episode. All right, guys, so y'all sit back and enjoy. We're going to do troubleshooting on the generator while I'm working on the motor.
Yeah.
And we're just going to work on this at both ends and see what we can come up with. So you guys sit back and enjoy. Jesse, man.
Dude. I mean, a lot of excitement because the big kahuna's coming alive little by little, ain't it, buddy?
Dude, we have been after it.
Yeah, man. We got... we're trying to figure out my generator right now. If we can get this generator going, I am cooking with peanut oil. It's that simple. But right now I'm gonna pull this sending unit, see if the sock's dirty or that little cup in there's collapsed. If that's so, I'll get a new sending unit, release a new sock so I can get gas from the tank to the generator. And then that way I don't have to depend on an outside tank that's feeding my generator. I can just run off the regular gas tank that's camper provides. So, and I hope I can because I got about $30 worth of fuel in that tank.
Right. So guys, what we was able to figure out here, and this is a trick y'all might want to do to your camper if you're having this problem. So we cut a hole in the floor here so we could get to this sending unit. And this is the tank for the generator, okay? And we took the fuel line off because it wasn't getting any fuel to the generator. And we'll show you how another problem that we were able to at least eliminate to make sure that it was a problem here in this sender versus a fuel pump problem or something like that. So Jesse, let's go outside and we'll show them in the rain what was able to rig up and figure out.
Yeah, man.
Alrighty guys, to be able to eliminate if you got a fuel pump problem on your Onan generator, what you can do is you can unhook your fuel line that's going to the tank. This is the one that's going to the tank back there, okay? And all we done was put us a line to an external tank. This is just a gas jug, okay? And you just start the motor up. We was able to figure out really quickly that we could start the generator up and it'd run no problem sucking fuel up into here. Fuel pump works. There's something going on that end. We also blew this line out, took an air hose to it, and air came through, and so
but no trash or nothing.
No trash or nothing. So we know we've got a problem in the tank in there. So let's go on that side and figure that out. All right, guys, another problem we were having was we was not able to get power from the generator to power the camper. Jesse, no air conditioning, not good.
Nothing, yeah, not good, especially when you're at the track and at 90 degrees. You gotta have something.
Exactly. So what I had to do was I had to literally track down, this is a junction box right here that literally wiring is coming out of the generator going to, and then it goes through the camper. Well, what I found out was it actually goes through the camper and it goes all the way over here. And what you have to do is your shore power plug-in, you have to plug that thing into this plug-in right here. That one right there. That's how you actually get the generator to charge the batteries and make the camper work and make the air conditioner work. So that was a weird thing that we didn't know.
But it was a big thing too, because that's nice where I can depend on my own generator.
That's right. So now we're in business. All right, so let's keep figuring out if we can figure out this fuel problem here.
Yeah, man.
Alrighty, guys and gals, we've got good news on the generator. We've got this bad boy working good. Jesse, let's talk about this thing, what we found out there.
Yeah, man, we cleared out the fuel lines, got everything else, put the fuel line in some gas, and the darn thing runs good. And went back to the pickup and got it out of the tank, realized it was in good shape. We was just checking to see if it still was all right and everything, and it looked good to us. Zipped it back on, and when I didn't put enough gas in it, the pickup hose is like that much in the gas, so I think I'm gonna put about $30 more in it, and it should pick up fuel and be running like a champ.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah, I ain't got no gas in it.
Little feller. But anyways, guys, so long story short, cleaned all the lines out. We're good to go. The generator does run. It does run the camper.
Yeah.
We're in good shape there. We just got to put enough gas in it. And golly, man, we put a total of what, 7 gallons in it, and it still didn't touch the pickup.
It still didn't hit the pickup with 7 gallons. It's got a big generator tank.
Golly, it's huge, huge
and it's got
tank.
a torpedo style regular gas tank.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. All right. So anyways, guys, I'll wrap up this episode. Hope that might have helped you guys out. If you've got Onan generator on an old, was this a 1978?
78, yeah.
All right, a 78 camper. And yeah, guys, we're very tickled about that. That definitely put this camper back on the map,
yeah,
for sure,
man,
on
I
that
could
deal.
be kind of dry docked at Bristol. Don't have to worry about power.
That's right. All right, guys, so one last thing here. We have been having problems with the engine running right on the Kahuna, and
that's been a deal right there, man.
Oh my gosh. So
they
definitely
still got a scratch in their heads.
Yeah, we're still trying to figure it out. So you guys comment down below if you got an idea what the problem is. This thing is not running. He was just driving it, and next thing you know, it starts missing. It has no power. It barely runs under load. You put it in park, it clears out and sounds decent, but boy, once you're under power, this thing don't work good.
Sputter, raises immortal Cain.
That's right.
Awful.
So we've got a contest going on right now on Facebook and on YouTube.
And we're still trying to figure it out ourselves.
Yeah, we're still trying to figure it out. So definitely comment down below.
So the person out there can actually help us, you gonna get a prize out of it.
That's right. All right, so this is what we found. So far, it's not the distributor cap. We put a new one on. Not a rotary button. Put a new one on. Not a cool.
Not a cool, and the spark plug wires are set all right.
Yep. It's got new plugs in, new plug wires. We've got fuel pressure.
Got Got 5 pounds of fuel pressure.
No, I checked that. We got 7 pounds of fuel pressure.
Okay, we upped the ante. 7 pounds of fuel pressure.
So we put a new gauge on it, checked that. We got 7 pounds, so we're in good shape there. So that's where we are. So if anybody's got any suggestions down below, what you think it could be, we're still chasing down what the culprit is on the Kahuna. So there we go. All right, so we're getting back into it here. All right, guys. Subscribe.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe, comment below, try to help us out, because it's got us bad right now.
It does. All right, we'll see y'all in the next one.
All right.